In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight a text in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening your web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Click through to the official Microsoft PowerPoint or Office website. This ensures you're working in the right place and have access to your files and tools. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Logging in is important because it connects you to your documents stored in the cloud, like OneDrive or SharePoint, and it keeps your settings consistent. Once you're signed in, you'll land on a page showing your recent files and folders. Now click the presentation you want to edit. This will open your deck so you can start working. If it opens in the web version, the interface will look familiar and streamlined with the ribbon at the top. If you're in the desktop app, the steps are the same. Navigate to the slide that has the text you want to highlight. Click inside the text box to place your cursor, then click and drag to select the exact words or sentences you want to emphasize. Be precise here. The highlighter only applies to what you select. If nothing is selected, you'll notice the highlight tool may be unavailable or won't do anything. With your text selected, look up to the ribbon and make sure you're on the Home tab. Find the text highlight color icon. It looks like a little marker with a color bar beneath it. Don't confuse this with font color, which changes the text color, or shape fill, which fills shapes in text boxes. You want the marker icon for true text highlighting. Click the small arrow next to the highlight icon to open the color palette. Choose the color that best fits your slide. Yellow is a classic high contrast option, but feel free to pick a color that stands out against your background and aligns with your design. As soon as you click a color, the highlight applies instantly to your selected text. If you change your mind, simply open the menu again and choose a different color, and it will update right away. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Highlight only the words that matter most, such as keywords or key phrases, to keep your slide clean. Aim for good contrast so the text remains readable for everyone. And be consistent across your presentation. Use the same highlight color for the same type of emphasis. That's it. You searched for PowerPoint, signed in, opened your presentation, selected your text, found the highlight tool on the Home tab, and picked the perfect color. You're ready to make key points pop with clear professional highlights.